Hey guys, we're down here at Desert 215 Superstore. We're checking out the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. This is our first lifted edition, lifted with Jeep performance parts on Fox shocks. It's got Toyo open country tires and XD rims. Let's look at it. Hey guys, from Desert 215, this is Andrew. I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let us know what you think and what do you want to see next. That's it for this lifted Rubicon JL, and we'll be getting back with you tomorrow. Adios.